Hi everyone, after pandemic, hindi pa rin tayo safe sa virus dahil may mga virus na pumapasok at kumakalat pa rin sa country natin. So keep safe everyone, lalong-lalo na ngayon na may virus na naman kumakalat, kung tawagin ay monkeypox. Saan ba galing si virus? Si virus ay galing sa animals na may bacteria or infection, transfer to one human and then transfer to another human who is infected. And for now, wala po tayong treatment or medication to prevent virus, but we have a necessary defense or vaccination. Or you can take food supplement to prevent virus. We have Lux Immune Plus, bagong product po to ng pandemic time. Ang laking tulong nito at ang daming natulungan ng pandemic time. Si Lux Immune Plus for antiviral, antivirus, anti-inflammatory, lalong-lalo na sa mga may sintomas, ubo, sipon. Si Lux Immune Plus is made in Australia and